Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 15th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, gold has been fairly sideways for most of the week so far. Makes me think even more that this is a correction that is very likely not over, especially because to me this looks like five ways down. And then there's a pretty good chance that we're still in a wave B because of how sideways it is. So, probably an A, probably still wave B. I bet it's going to go down and take out these lows for wave C, maybe even turn into a correction to this whole big last wave up. I definitely still think it's an ABC correction. I still think it's going to hit that 161.8. And I really do not even like to recommend shorts on gold because even though it looks to me like it very likely will turn down, make a wave C, I have a hard time recommending shorts when every single higher time frame in between the 1 hour and monthly time frame is in a very, very strong uptrend. I personally would still be looking for longs, even if it does make a push down. I personally would be more focused on trying to get long at the end of a wave C rather than trying to sort it for a unpredictable wave C. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.